first stitch for today is the half double crochet. It's almost the same as the double crochet, but it has a slight difference. So when we are starting the half double crochet, you begin your project with a chain. I made a chain stitch, and then I started a row of double crochet, of half double crochets until here, but I'm going to be explaining from this point where I am how to make the half double crochet. So begin your chain as any other project, as you would in a single crochet stitch or in a double crochet stitch, but then as you go along, when you turn your work, you will make the half double crochets. And this is how we make the half double crochets. We yarn over, insert the hook into the space, yarn over and pull through. So we have 3 loops on our hook, and then we yarn over and pull through all of them. Yarn over, insert your hook in the space, yarn over and pull through 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all of them together. You keep doing that, the same process, until you reach the end of your project. So when I reach the end of my project, I like stitching in the very last, on top of the very last stitch, such that I make a stitch there. I yarn over and make a chain of 1. I like chaining 1 to turn, such that my work stays straight. It doesn't have bumps here and there. So when I turn the work, I yarn over, insert in the very first space and pull through. So this first chain does not affect my work. I don't have holes and my work is straight. Then I continue until the last one. When we reach the end of our row, we still continue, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then the last stitch we make it on top. Chain and keep going.